Good day, and welcome to LEAP. This tutorial will guide you through the process of self-enrollment for students. Before we show you how to self-enroll as a student, we need to ensure that the self-enrollment feature is enabled using an admin account. First, log into the admin account. Then, navigate to My Courses. Next, select the course you want to enable self-enrollment for. Then, go to Participants. Click on Enrolled Users. Select Enrollment Methods. Lastly, ensure that self-enrollment is turned on. Once the self-enrollment feature is enabled, students can proceed with self-enrollment. First step is to log into your account. Then, use the course finder to type the name of the course you want to join. Select the course from the search results. Enter the enrollment key provided by your teacher. Lastly, click Enroll Me. That's it! You have successfully joined the course. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing the Learning Enhancement Academic Portal. Enjoy your learning journey.